Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix audio and remove background noise. Let's begin. Removing background noise and fixing audio in Capcut is a simple process that can significantly improve the quality of your video. Once you open the Capcut, you might want to click the create a new project if you want to begin work and start from scratch. But if you have already an existing project, you might want to click that instead to begin editing. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this amazing file that I have here. And for you to be able to remove anything that is kind of nuisance and distracting audio as part of your recording clips, for example, if you go to the audio, if you don't have an audio here, for example, we're going to be choosing something like a video. All right, so I'm going to add an overlay right here. So I have added a video, and then I want to remove some kind of like a background noise that I don't want to be part of it. So all I have to do is select the video right here and then search for an option that says isolate voice right here. You see that? Keep a voice or remove the voice if you want. I'm going to keep the voice. I'm going to isolate it for now. There are a couple of ways to do it. It'll take a little while. And then once it's done, now the voice has been isolated. And then all I have to do now is click the enhance the voice. All right. Click on it. Will allow. Enhancing the voice is also removing unwanted noise as part of the audio or background noise, right? You see the noise cleanup, you can scrub it all the way through to eliminate unwanted stuff. Like I don't want to hear like for example an echo in the room, or maybe like a hum or a static wind. So you can increase it all the way so the voice has been enhanced here in Capcut. It's very easy, really. Once you're happy with that, see there are plenty of options here that you can do. You can also increase the volume if you want, since we have already eliminated the noise. All right, and once you are happy with it, the last thing that I need to do is to click the export button on the top right corner of your screen, because since the background noise removal helps eliminate the unwanted sounds such as static, wind, or hum from your audio, it's now time to export, send it to your client for feedback, or just save it a copy for different file formats. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.